You've probably heard that you shouldn't say, I like science and want to help people in your personal statement. That's not actually the problem. The issue isn't what you're saying, it's how you're saying it. You state it directly, it sounds like every other application. What stands out is when you show it through your experiences. For example, a meaningful patient interaction, a moment that changed your perspective, or an experience that shaped your understanding of medicine. Strong personal statements don't rely on generic claims. They tell a clear, authentic story that demonstrates your motivation and readiness for a career in medicine. Focus less on saying the right thing and more on showing why it matters to you. Follow us for more medical school admissions advice from the experts at BeMo.